Our relation with the school is more than a year now. So in this short period of time, we feel very proud and privileged to be a part of Healthy Planet because they have a very strong support system and they are organizing different indoor and outdoor activities for the students which help them to learn the things practically.
Each and every concept they have started, whether it is phonics, Numicon, themes, read aloud, which I personally like the most. And Viraj is now able to read 6 to 7 letter words very easily, which is called blending. He is doing blending very nicely. And in Numicon, he is able to do counting, making pattern, combination of numbers, adding stories and so many things. He is also now able to weave stories on his own with the help of illustration, and much more knowledge he is gaining from themes also.
He didn't want to meet people and didn't want to express himself. Also I remember that sometimes he used to hide behind his mama when someone is asking some question. But after joining Healthy Planet, I can see that his confidence is increasing day by day.
It was the first day of his school and his teacher came to me and told me that they have an exit point program day after tomorrow and they want that Viraj will participate in it. And I said, yes, why not, go for it. But after a few minutes I realized what you said, he will not do it, he will definitely cry. But when I saw him on stage, he was there with full of his confidence, because it is very difficult for everybody to stand on stage for the first time, and this early age of 3 it is quite more difficult. So I was very happy that day, and after the program his teacher again came to me and told me that, ma'am, your child is very confident. But I knew that he was never like this before. The reason behind this is the impact of teachers over him in just 3 days.
I would like to thank all the teachers and management because they are really working very hard. They are working in a group. Yes, in a group of teachers, students and parents. They involve parents too. They organize different workshops for the parents in order to enhance their knowledge and to make them understand about their teaching concepts. So I would like to thank Healthy Planet, and I wish all the things will be better soon and we will meet once again.
I am very happy with the outcome because they are grooming my child in a fantastic way. Whatever Viraj is learning, all the credit goes to his teachers because they are very hardworking, very supportive, always ready to help us. So thank you so much for everything.